One day, I was just playing in my institute ground and saw an incredibly fit guy. I was surprised and noticed he did 100 push-ups in one single stretch. Hesitantly, I asked him, "How come you are able to do 100 push-ups? For me, making it 30 is difficult." Then he said, "Have you ever heard of Japanese concept Kaizen? Which means small but continuous change. Initially, it is difficult for me as well. But I started with one push-up and increased one daily, and after 4 months, I could able to do 100 push-ups. I never followed this in push-ups, but I remembered the concept of Kaizen and applied in my studies. Now making a schedule for 8 hours daily is difficult. That's why in our challenge we started with 2 hours on 1st August and after 5 days we increased it to 3 hours, and by the end of the August we will reach it to 8 hours, which is ideal for preparation. Now in between 5 days also you can increase 15 minutes daily. For example, today you started with 2 hours, next day try to study for 2 hours 15 minutes, then 2 hours 30 minutes and so on. Now those who have not seen my challenge video can see it there, and also you can like my Facebook page Gate Mechanical 2018 challenge. You can get the links for both in description. Now one of my friends suggested is best way to complete your study target is with stopwatch. For example, if you want to study 2 hours daily, start your watch when you have sit down for studying, and let's say you take a break in between, stop the watch and then continue. Measuring it through clock can be deceptive, and believe me, it will be more fun and you will enjoy it by challenging yourself daily. Once you complete your target, visit to our page and react for completion and comment about it. Make a habit and see how many have completed the target. It will motivate others also. Now let's talk about our plan. Roughly based on last year question papers, I have divided the subjects timing accordingly. Maths 10 days, Mechanics 10 days, SOM 20 days, Thermodynamics 20 days, including power plants and IC engine, Fluid Mechanics 15 days, TOM 15 days, Machine Design 10 days, Heat Transfer 10 days, RAC 5 days, Manufacturing 25 days, including Material Science, and lastly Industrial Engineering for 10 days. Now by December end, you will complete the syllabus. Now let's talk about the revision. It is very important that you revise. Revision will retain whatever you have studied so far. Proportionately, you can divide the timing for next 30 days, that is in January. Also based on your comfort level, you can decide the sequence of subjects now. Let's say you find thermodynamics difficult, you can take thermodynamics at first. And if you find manufacturing easy, you can take manufacturing at last. Now for revision, you should study from notes, not from books. So how to make notes, we will see in later part of the video, so keep watching it. Now from which books to study? I have already told you in my video how to prepare for Gate Mechanical. You will get the links of books and the video in description. Now apart from that, I have not said something in my video, which I am going to share you now. Now you should buy topic wise. Remember, topic wise solve previous year paper book. I think Made Easy book is very good, and I am also following this book for topic tips and questions for your challenge. You can take other books also. Now how it will help you? Let me tell you that. You can first decide based on number of questions asked previous year which topic to take first. Plus, whenever you finish any topic, try to solve those questions. You will get good understanding of types of question asked in GATE. Don't try to solve other test series questions first. Because the problem with those question paper is, just to make it hard, they will put questions which is actually not like GATE pattern. And then it will demotivate you. So solve previous year question first, then if you want you can try other question bank or test series. Try to make the preferences of your topics based on this, or otherwise you can follow my schedule which will be mostly based on statistics of previous year paper. Now very important, which is notes. Now it can vary based on individual, but I always suggest make 2 level of notes. First level for your detailed revision, that is in January. In this, whatever you understand, write in your language. Don't copy it from book. I will say again, write in your language all the concepts or derivations, laws and explanation etc. Then also write questions and its solution based on each concept or subtopic, which explains how to use this concept on application of questions. Don't write any unnecessary or repetitive type of questions. Write only 1 or 2 type of questions for any concept. This you should utilize in your revision. Next is second level. This is like micro version of your notes, like you make it when you cheat in your exam. But don't take it in GATE, otherwise you will be in trouble. This will have important formulas, concepts in very short form in one page for whole subject. Then you will be having 10 to 15 pages of formulas for complete syllabus at the end of December. Now this will be handy in revision in last days. This you can revise in 2 hours also. So last day in February before exam, just revise from these notes and attempt full length test. You don't have to go to books for seeing any formulas. It will be really helpful. I think this video will help you in your study plan. Please share it with others who need this information. You can see our previous videos here. Subscribe our channel and click on this bell button. And check to send all notification option. This way you can get updated instantly once we have uploaded our video. And finally, thanks for watching.